My name is Hemant, and I'm at the course on online learning, and I'm just going to log in. I'm about to use the LMS system as a canvas. I will go to have the login here. And just go to the dashboard. So this semester I am handling two courses, that is a database management system and metrology and mechanical measurement. And here have all the design, and I can see here, you can see here, I can go to the people and see like who are, I have added a bunch of students, and some of them have accepted my invitation. And coming to the course content, I have gone through modules, and first I have used module 0, that is introductory module. And introductory module, I can see here I have an course objective and course outcome, and here program outcomes as well. So here you can see here I have mapped with I have the course objective, and it has been mapped. The course outcome has been mapped with the program outcome as well. And go to the next. So I have the prerequisite, and I have my timetable. So that students can know that when are the classes. It is There are only three classes, and next is a syllabus, where you can see like there are it is split into modules, and there are like four modules with given the also the with the references textbook as well has been given here. And next is a lesson plan. We have different modes of communication. So model 1 has 10 units, and the mode of delivery has been given as a live class. We are using Microsoft Team as the mode of delivery, and live classes will be conducted. And some have the recorded sessions as well. So it is coming up on 23rd. So this I have created the source ID as well, so that like which book that I am referring to in that particular class is clearly noted. And the next is the staying hours. So when I am staying in the office hours, and how they can meet. And they can meet during any time during the contact hours, and they can contact me via phone, Microsoft Team, WhatsApp, and email. And I have uploaded for the previous year question paper as well. You can see here I have downloaded the content, so it will download, and they can go through the question papers as well when and then they require. Coming back to the uh, LMS, so I have uploaded the Swayam link, which as soon as they click in, they can go to the website where the Swayam course has been offered, which is related to the engineering metrology. And have the discussion forum here in the form of two discussion. So the student can address any course related discussion or module related discussion over here. So if we go to the discussion mode here, so some of them has given any so they are given some discussion here. And if we come to the grievances regarding the grievances regarding the course. So as of now there is no grievances. So, and coming to the course announcements, you can go to the course announcement here, and can see here. So I have uh, given the welcome here. So have announced like how it is going to come, and what is the scope for it, and I have given the syllabus before getting into the class. And I have also mentioned what are the evaluation method that is going to have. So I have asynchronous quiz, peer and teacher reviewed education evaluation, continuous internal evaluation, class polls and discussions are different mode of evaluations. And coming to the modules, so module 1, so this is about module 0. Now coming to the module 1, have the live recorded as well, live recording, uh, which is recorded during the class hours. And can just open it here, so they can have a view of the recorded session. Actors on the screen, and so they can view the student has your own, they can, we have the course lecture PPT, course lecture PPT, which has been uploaded. They can refer to the PPT, and other class material will be uploaded soon. So PPT, they can refer to the PPT here, so they can go to the different slides. So all the material has been uploaded. And coming to the quiz and assignment, so I have the graded quiz conducted. There was a quiz on line standards, and I can see here, see the result here. So there are like some of the things, so 40%, 60% and 100% have been answered. So first question 100, question 100. So these are all the course quiz summary. And coming to the assignments, so I had given an assignment on they need to mention any 5 devices which they come across in common, and explain all the device with its application, and they need to write minimum 5 lines for each devices. So there is a 5 marks assignment. And the rubrics that follows that assignment is as follows. So rubrics for assignment, so have given the rubrics as well. So to name any 5 device, 2 points will be given, and if any devices are missing, they fetch only 1 mark. And coming to the description, 3 marks if they have written on their own, and if they are not written and have any copy paste, they lose marks. So this is about the rubrics. My reflection on online teaching is that it is very helpful to manage resources. We feel very connected with students in this pandemic time, and the skills acquired are very essential to keep hold of the student attention here on online. And it is very helpful as well as to manage resources, and being students being very tech savvy, they like to browse through the content, and they like to have their mind challenged, and they want to keep themselves engaged. And I have learnt a lot of techniques over these many months of the course, and it was a wonderful course. And I have learnt a lot of techniques which are very useful for conducting online class easily. And it is very helpful, and I'm just going to follow all these techniques throughout my career. And thank you very much